Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we will do the paraphrasing of unit number 7. The poem is If. It is written by Rudyard Kipling. In the previous video, I have shared the summary of this poem. Today we will do the paraphrasing of these four stanzas. The first stanza is as If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you, if you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowance for their doubting too, if you can wait and not be tired by waiting or being lied about, don't deal in lies or being hated, don't give way to hating, and yet don't look too good nor talk too wise. Now watch the paraphrasing. The poet tells his son that he should keep calm when others put blame on him. He must have trust on himself. When others doubt him, he should always remain truthful. Even if others lie to him, he should not be hateful to even those who hate him. Rather, he should spread love. If he will act upon the above given advices, he will look good and wise among common people. Here comes the second stanza of the poem now. It is If you can dream and not make dreams your master, if you can think and not make thoughts your aim, if you can meet with triumph and disaster and treat those who impostors just the same, if you can bear to hear the truth you have spoken, twisted by knaves to make a trap for fools, or watch the things you gave your life to broken, and stoop and build them up with worn out tools. The paraphrasing is like the poet tells his son that he should dream big, but never make the dreams his master. He should think good, but never make those thoughts his goal. He must have the ability to face the two extreme conditions of victory and defeat, because these two are the deceivers and not long lasting. He should always speak the truth and should face it when others misuse it to mislead others. He should have the courage to see the self built things in broken condition and must have skill to rebuild them with valueless things. Third stanza. If you can make one heap of all your winnings and risk it on 1 ton of pitch and toss and lose and start again at your beginnings and never breath a word about your loss, if you can force your heart and nerve and sinew to serve your turn long after they are gone, and so hold on when there is nothing in you except the will which says to them, hold on. Paraphrasing of third stanza is the poet says that he should never be afraid of doing such things that can neither make him successful or ruin everything. If he fails after taking big risk, he should start again without saying anything to others about his loss. He should have the strength and courage to face his failure. When nothing is left in life after failure, he should have strong willpower which may encourage him to hold on. Fourth stanza is If you can talk with crowds and keep your virtue, or walk with kings, nor lose the common touch. If neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you. If all men count with you, but none too much. If you can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run. Yours is the earth and everything that's in it. And which is more, you will be a man, my son. The paraphrasing of stanza number 4 is: the poet says that he must keep his goodness among the common people and should never behave like them. Because of his qualities, neither his enemies nor his friends can harm him. He should not allow them to remain completely dependent on him. He says that time is precious, that never come back. So he should utilize each and every second of his life. He advises his son that if he acts upon all his advices, he will be able to achieve whatever he likes, and above all, he will be a man, a true human. Thank you.